Hello everybody, my name is Chase, and today we're going to be starting the Learning Java series. This is going to be episode 1 in a series where I'm going to walk you through the entire CHS curriculum for Java programming. So let's get started. Today I'm using TextPad. It's my favorite text editor. You can use anything you want to as long as it can compile and run code. On my channel in a couple of days you're going to be able to find how to set TextPad up so you can do this along with me. So, just as a good starter, Control 1 is going to be compile, and Control 2 is going to be to run, and that's going to bring up a command prompt for you. So, no further ado, let's get started. So, you opened up TextPad, and you have to have a Java file. So, let's go ahead and hit Java File New, brings up a new document for us, and let's go ahead and save as. You can save this anywhere you want to. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop, and I'm going to save it as intro. So let's go ahead and just add a little comment up here. Go ahead and hit /*. I'm going to put my name here. We're going to put the date down just so we have, we know when we made this, and I'm going to say what it's about. So the first program in the Java programming series. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit */ or */ to close it. So what exactly did I just do there? Well, I made a comment. What is a comment, you say? Well, it's this really simple thing that the text in TextPad is going to turn green when it's a comment. The compiler doesn't read it. That just means it's stuff that only you, me, and other programmers can read, and we usually type this out about what we're doing with our program. If we're about to do something really complicated, we'll go / to start a line comment and say, this is really complicated. So what is a line comment compared to what we did up top? Well, a line comment, as we see here, let's go ahead, type something out here, comments. Line comment, it's a comment that's only on this line. So go ahead and, don't care about typos throughout this. I'll go ahead and change them, but type in live as we go here. So it's a comment that's only on this line, but what does that mean? Well, let me hit enter, go to a new line, and type it out, and as you see, nothing. It's code. Here I'm going to compile it, and it doesn't know what that means because it's not actual code. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that. But then what did we do up top? Well, that's called a block comment. So we're going to go ahead and hit / and type out block comment here. A block comment is just a big block of text. That's all it is. I can hit enter a couple times, type a little bit more, hit enter again. And the difference between a block comment and a line comment is you can hit enter, but the block comment has a closing. So you can go ahead and hit */ and that closes the comment off. So then everything after that is going to be just, code. So we're going to go ahead and get started here and actually write a program. So something that every single Java program needs at the beginning is public, class, and then the name of your file. And so today I did intro, so public class intro. What does that mean? A class is something we're going to learn about a little later in programming, so it doesn't really matter what this means, but just know that you need it in every single one of your programs to start off, and you'll see it as I walk through with you every single tutorial. We're going to see that in there. As you see here, we have public class that's going to be in every single header, but intro, that's a keyword there, that's going to change a little bit for you. Whatever you have intro to be set as, that's going to be the name of your file. So whatever you name your file, that's what intro is going to be for you. So say you name your file Sam, it's going to be public class Sam. Here, there we go, public class Sam. See that? So a couple of notes about this though. File names are case sensitive. You hear that? File names are case sensitive. So whatever you type in your file name, make sure that is exactly the same as what you type there. So let's go ahead and move on. you also will need one more thing to start off every single Java program, and this is going to be your main method header. A main method is where most of your code comes from. But as we move on in the program, you're going to see a lot of it doesn't come from there as well, but that's nothing you need to worry about now. We're just going to say for now, this is where all your code comes from. So we're going to go ahead and type out public static void main string open close bracket args. You can go ahead and close the parentheses and open another brace. And that is our main method header. That doesn't change. For every single program that we have a main method in, we have that exact same thing. Now let's go ahead and give ourselves a little space here and then go ahead and close one brace and close the other brace. So you see here, now I'm going to compile the code. For those of you following along the text pad, it's going to be Control-1. And as you see, the tool compiled successfully, and then we're going to hit Control-2, hit those at the same time, and as you see here, the command prompt comes up, and we wrote everything perfect, no errors. So while we're here, just for the rest of this video, we're going to go ahead and type out something that every single, first programming video does. It teaches you how to print hello world. So let's go ahead and we're going to comment this line here saying what we're going to do and printing out hello world. So we can go ahead and type system.out.println, open up a parenthesis there, hit the quotation and type hello world. Now close those quotes, close the parenthesis, and then hit a semicolon. Now let's go ahead and hit Control-1. Look at that, without fail, and Control-2. And there we go. Hello world. As you see, that popped up there. Now let's talk about what we just did. What is system.out.println? Well, this is how we print stuff into the command prompt. There's a couple of other things that we can do with that, like we can ask users to input information with that. We can give people lists of things. It's a super, super helpful thing to use is printing things out. So you can do a system.out.println, or let's go ahead and close these comments here. We can do a system.out.print. So, and we're going to go ahead and type hello world again. What does this do differently from the one above? Well, let's go ahead and compile it and see. Oh, as we see here, it says hello world, but then press any key to continue. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and spoil it for you. What the LN means is new line. What that'll do is whenever you print something out, if you have system.out.println, whenever it's done printing out hello world, let's go ahead and run this so I can show you, prints hello world, it then moves itself down to a new line. And then that's where the press any key to continue or the next thing that you print out will be. But here, since we didn't type system.out.println, as you can see, we just typed system.out.print. It typed hello world, and then it added the press any key to continue after that. So let's go ahead and close that window and do system.out.println. We're going to add a ln in there, and let's go ahead and then write it again as you see, just like the one above. And there we have it. We have our first Java program. So I know it doesn't seem like much now, but in the future we're going to get into a lot more complicated things. Just know that this is a very solid starting ground that we've gotten to today. Next time you can tune in, we're going to talk about different things with the print line and how you can utilize it to format things just like you like it. And we're going to do a lot more stuff other than that too. So go ahead and check back. New videos every Wednesday and every Saturday. Hope to see you guys there. Chase, signing out.